The Tiger engine still manages to hold the cup for being the most powerful shaft-driven engine in its class. For 2018, it receives multiple updates to deliver more immediate power lower down in the rev range, the area that is most often used by adventure folks. This has been achieved by the development of more efficient engine components, for example smaller flywheel, lighter crankshaft, magnesium cam cover, that allows the engine to spin up faster for instant power delivery. The 1215cc inline triple boasts of having the most potent shaft-driven engine in its class that belts out 140 bhp and 91 pounds-to-foot of torque. The XC6 gets torque assist hydraulic clutch, but the XC8 takes it up a notch with a new Triumph shift assist for smooth clutchless gear changes. It significantly reduces rider fatigue, especially over long distances and demanding terrains. The 2018 range of Triumph Tigers are some of the most versatile machines that gives you so much for the price you pay. While the Tiger XCX comes with a price tag of $19,550, the top of the range, and the most expensive of the Tiger series, the Tiger XCA will fetch for $21,750.